Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnBricks, the place where we make data engineering and Databricks super simple, even for non-tech folks. In this series, I'm making sure that even someone with zero background in tech can understand big data, PySpark, and Databricks step by step. So don't worry if you already know some of this. I always explain things from scratch so everyone can follow along. Today's video is all about how Spark actually works behind the scenes. We'll talk about the Spark architecture, but in a fun, easy way. And yes, we're diving into distributed computing, but without scary tech jargon. Let's start with the diagram on your screen. I know it might look a bit complex, but don't worry. I'll explain it in a way you'll never forget. Let's break it down with a simple classroom story. First, the driver program. The driver is like the teacher in a classroom. It plans the entire lesson and breaks the big task into smaller assignments. The driver says, "Hey students, here's what needs to be done." It's the brain of the operation, coordinating everything. Next, the cluster manager. Think of the cluster manager as the school's office staff. They figure out which students, computers, are free and can do the work. It handles all the resource allocation like CPU, memory, and workers. There are different types of cluster managers. Standalone, simple setup, Yarn, Mesos, and Databricks, which takes care of all of this automatically. Then, the executors. The executors are the students who actually do the assignments. They process the data, run the code, and return the results. More executors equals faster results. That's the power of parallel and distributed computing. So how does it all work together? The driver says, "We have a job to do." The cluster manager says, "Let me find helpers." The executors say, "We've got it, let's do this together." And they all work in parallel, across multiple computers. That's distributed computing in action. Now that you've seen the architecture diagram, I hope it makes more sense. If yes, just drop a comment to let me know. Quick recap. Driver program is the brain that plans the tasks. Cluster manager finds resources and allocates them. Executors do the actual work. That's Spark architecture. Simplified, fun, and explained in real-life terms. In the next video on LearnBricks, we'll run our first PySpark program on Databricks Community Edition. Hands-on in the cloud. Don't worry, I will show you how to create a Databricks Community Edition too. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, and join our WhatsApp channel to get this entire series 100% free and in one place. See you in the next one. Stay on.